Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm coming back to give you an update for the COMPER Smarkin that I've been using for the past month. So I've already done a little unboxing and went into a little bit detail about what the product actually is. And then I also did a demo video on day one of me using it as well. I'll link those videos above if you want to see those too. But today I am coming after 28, well, it's just over 28 days of using the product. And I'm going to give you a little update on what I think about it. So this is the device itself, which is the COMPER Smarkin. So it looks like this. I've already gone into loads of detail in the other videos, so this is just going to be a pretty short and sweet video, to be honest. So this device combines mass, RF, LED and EMS. So the idea is as an anti-aging tool. So, you know, you use it. The EMS part was what appealed to me the most because I'm really into the electronic muscle stimulation. Basically, it's like a little, I said before, it's like a little gym for your face. So if you can imagine, it's toning those muscles and then releasing them, kind of like all the little muscles in your face are doing ab crunches. And then we have LED, which is light emitting diode. I said device in the last video and my husband was like, it's diode. Not that he even talks like that, but yeah, that's what it is. Which is really good for the red light is really good for stimulating collagen to the surface of the skin. The mass is the massage part of it, so obviously it's all for lymphatic drainage, things like that, and obviously depuffing. And then there's RF, and I can't actually remember what that's for. That's really bad, but it's radio frequency. And yeah, I think that is something to do with stimulating the skin as well and sort of bringing collagen to the surface. But correct me if I'm wrong. I can't honestly remember. But anyway, as I say, I've already gone into all of that in the last video that I did. So if you do want to see those in detail, when clearly I did my homework a bit better, then yeah, you can see those in that. So today I am doing an update. Now, I've been using this religiously for the past 28 days and I can honestly say I can notice quite a difference in my skin. The condition of my skin itself, as in the overall appearance of my actual skin, is a lot better, and also the muscles around my neck have got a lot better. I think my cheekbones are more pronounced as well. Right then, so if I come close up, I've got no makeup on. I completely promise you that. All I've got is eyebrows, mascara and a bit of lip, and then I've just got moisturizer on. I've just done another video actually, so that's why I've just got the moisturizer on. But yeah, these here were what I was most conscious of originally, and also my glabella lines just here, they have gone down a lot. I mean, they're not gone. I don't think they ever will be. Even if I had Botox or something, I don't think they completely go, but they have gone down a lot. These are a lot less puffy if I turn to the side, but they've gone in a way that they almost look like they're part of my cheek now. So obviously the reason that these are here is because this is kind of sagging a little bit, shall we say. And when you use this, obviously it's not on, when you use this, because you're dragging it up like this, you're kind of pulling there, and then obviously you're pushing up as well, so you're pushing over these lines. And I can definitely tell the puffiness has reduced a lot on these bits here. My neck I feel like it's a bit more sculpted. It's I'd say it was quite rounded before, but it is more sculpted, so it feels more lifted here. As I say, my cheekbones, I can almost see a natural contour sort of appearing just here. So where obviously I'm doing the pulling motion just here, they seem a lot more reduced, and my fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes are reduced as well. So what I'll do is I did take some before and after pictures. So I took some pictures on day one and I took some pictures today. So I'm going to put those on the screen now so you can see for yourself the difference. One thing I will say about this device was that, as I said before, I was most excited about the EMS part of it, the electronic muscle stimulation, which I am actually trained in and I am a big fan of. And if I'm being honest, you can't really feel it. It's obviously still working. It's obviously still doing something because, you know, as I say, I can see a difference, but you can't feel it. I've got another device, the Freo Bear, and you can see your muscles switching. You can feel it working. I mean, it's not painful, but it's not, I can't explain it really. I suppose it's not comfortable, is that the word? But I can actually feel that one working. Whereas this one, I couldn't even tell it was on. But as I say, that doesn't mean it wasn't working, because it was obviously doing something. It's just obviously an extremely low frequency. That is the only thing that I will say. Everything else I really, really enjoyed. And I actually enjoyed doing it every day as well. When I did it every other day. As part of my skin care routine at night, because I felt it was really nice. It relaxed me. And the serum that comes with it, I don't know if that's done my skin wonders as well, because yeah, obviously I've been using that with the device, and yeah, as I say, the actual appearance of my skin itself has, yeah, got a lot better. So yeah, as I say, it was just a short and sweet video really to show you the results, the before and after. Obviously I promised to show you that after 28 days. So yeah, here I am doing it. But yeah, I would recommend it. I would, because as I say, I can see a clear difference in my skin. So it clearly has done something. So yeah, the only thing was I couldn't feel the EMS, but it doesn't mean it wasn't working, because yeah, you can see my jawline is a lot more pronounced. So if you are interested in the device, I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but I will leave a link down below for you to check the device out for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.